Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and I am going to Boldt Castle and Alex Bay today with a couple of my daughters, so we are going to pack the snackle box for the trip. So I love this snackle box. It is so heavy duty. I actually bought one of these at a local department store, and it was such poor quality after I had tried these out. These are heavy plastic. And they have these, they call them a puck. You put these in the freezer and add these to the bottom, and it's going to stay cold for hours. And then I have all of these little containers, and you can put them in any way that you want. I love that. Another thing that I love is if you're traveling with children, you can just take one out and hand it to them. You don't have to hand them back the whole thing, but I have all kinds of things I'm going to try to fit in to the snackle box today. So I'm going to start with some blueberries and just fill this up. I have a granddaughter who is coming with us, so I have to make sure that there is a lot of good stuff to snack on.
Yeah.
So there's our blueberries. And then we have some strawberries. We already have these washed.
Yummy.
So I am just going to drop some of those in there. And maybe a couple more. All right, I have some cold meat that I want to take, some turkey and some salami. So I'm just going to roll up a few of those and pop those in there.
Mommy.
Okay, I have some turkey and some salami, my blueberries, my strawberries, and I have some carrot sticks. Gotta have the carrots. And my favorite celery sticks. I love celery. And then I have some cheese sticks. And there is my snackle box all ready for the trip. It locks down. It's a handle and it's ready to go. And this is on sale until all the way through June 30th. And you can also join my team and get this for just $30. Earn some summertime money. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.